Here are 5 ways to make your home furniture last longer than expectation. Are you aware that taking proper care of your home furniture can significantly increase its lifespan? You won't believe what the last point is because only few people knows about it. Number 1, regular cleaning. Most people are not aware that cleaning their home furniture regularly helps it and it increases its lifespan because it looks smoother. It gets new every blessed day. Now tell me, Mommy Shadi, why is it that you don't clean your home furniture? I don't know why. Tell me, I don't really know why.
Number 2, avoid direct sunlight. For this Nigeria, the thing wey be say dey cause problem for our furniture na be say we place our furniture in a position whereby it gets sunlight reflection, and this can easily damage our furniture. It exposes it to what? Fading and wrapping. So in order to prevent something like this, you can often use curtain or blinds to prevent sunlight reflection on your curtain. I tell you abi I no tell you?
Number 3, temperature control. It is advisable you maintain a stable indoor temperature to prevent your wood or the leather on your chair from getting damaged easily. But have this at the back of your mind though. If you have your chair made with an inferior leather or wood and you put it in your house while you travel abroad, I'm sorry, before you come back, now dust you go meet too, because the temperature of your home and due to the fact that the chair is not made with a quality fabric or a quality leather, including the wood, everything is going to get damaged easily when the temperature of the home is very, very toxic.
Number 4, lift don't drag. Why is it that we find ourselves dragging our home furniture from one place to another when we can call someone to help us lift it up? Draggers. Na una dey follow talk o. I no smile, no see my, no check my face, I no smile at all. Stop dragging your chair, it can easily spoil, and na money you take buy am. So stop what? Dragging your chair.
Number 5, tightening loose joints. Either it's an imported furniture or an homemade furniture. When you observe there is a part in it that is getting loose, or you know that like it's having some kind of issues, it is advisable you call someone immediately who can help you with it, not until everything got damaged. But I know a lot of people want to do that, but procrastination will not allow you to. You'll be like, okay, I will call Dele tomorrow to come and do it, and I will call him next tomorrow, I will call him on Sunday. Why? When the chair got damaged, you'll be like, oh, if I had known, I should have called Dele. But it is very late. Please stop procrastinating about your home furnitures. When you observe it's having a little bit dent or it's having a little bit error, it is something that perhaps you can get hammer yourself, or you get a spanner and tighten it or hit it back to its normal position. And if you can't do that, get someone to help you with it. I can assure you that if you can follow these tips and you can make use of it, your home furnitures are going to remain in a good condition for years. And I hope you find this useful. Please, if you find this useful, consider subscribing to our channel. And if you're watching this right on Instagram or Facebook or other social media platforms, make sure you give it a like and drop a comment if you are among the people who do procrastinate also regarding your home furnitures. Please stop that because it's not really going to help you. So, as I've said earlier, make sure you drop a comment, give it a like. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to our channel because we've got a lot more to help you with. Right at Cedar Furniture, we are right here to help you regarding your home furnitures and a lot more. If you want us to drop any content regarding or anything you want to know about your home furniture, make sure you drop a comment, tell us, and we will be glad to drop that for you. See you later. Bye.